Hello and welcome again. To another JavaScript lesson. We've talked about how naming can be in JavaScript. In this lesson, we are going to be looking at the rules for constructing names. Names can contain letter, digits, underscore, and dollar sign. So let's take a look in the code. Name can contain digits. So if I put one, now what happens? Let's just check what JavaScript will say. An identifier or keyword cannot immediately follow a numeric literal. Now, if I put that number at the end, let's check. You can see that by the time I add one to this, let's see, it becomes a valid way of naming JavaScript, which means that number can be had at the back of a letter, which means that according to what we have here, that names can contain letter, digits, underscore, and dollar sign. It works if the digit is not the first letters in your naming of variables. Like in the example we just gave, when we put the name as the first letter, you see JavaScript immediately rejected it. But when I added it after the name, it accepted it. It can contain digits, underscore, and dollar sign. So what does it mean to have an underscore? So which means if I do something like this, it's a valid name in JavaScript and it will work. You can see it can also start with dollar sign. The dollar sign is a valid name in JavaScript. Can you see? So this is the number one rule when you are naming your variable. Then the second rule says name must begin with a letter, which means that the other time when I try to begin with a digit, a number, it gave me an error. Because the rule says that name must begin with a letter, which means that I can use digits in between or at the back, but it must not start. Names must begin with a letter, a dollar sign, and underscore. That is just what I demonstrated to us now. The names are case sensitive. That's another important thing in JavaScript. So in JavaScript, if I turn this to capital N, you can see that the exact and the correct thing is no longer shown in the browser because JavaScript is case sensitive. The capital N is not the same as small letter n. So you need to be very careful when you are declaring your variable. Then also reserved word. JavaScript keyword cannot be used as name. Remember when we talked about the concept of keyword, things like a var, switch, for, if, let, const. So those are keywords in JavaScript and they cannot be used to declare variable. They cannot be used as names when you are declaring your variable. So these are the four rules for naming variables in JavaScript. So this will be the end of the lesson. We'll continue in the next one.